Good morning class. Now this is question number 8 of exercise 15. This is our second video of chapter 15, exercise 15a. In this question, each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. You have to find out each and every angle of the triangle. Now in this question we are having the relation with third angle. So let us take the measure of third angle. Let the measure of third angle be x degree. Then according to question, measure of second and first angle be 2x degree each, because we are having two angles are of same measure. Then again the same reason, we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So measure of all these three angles, first angle, second angle and third angle, will be 180 degree. We'll get 5x as 180, then x as 180 by 5, 36. Now required angles be how much? 2 into 36, 2 into 36, and the third one as 36, 72, 72 and 36. These are the measure of our required three angles. Getting class? Have a look for the next question. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of other two angles, then show that the given triangle is right triangle. Any one angle of a triangle. Let us consider the triangle is ABC. Let ABC be the required triangle. ABC be the required triangle. Let ABC be the required triangle. Then again you are taking this, let in which measure of one angle is equal to measure of any two other angles. Let us consider, this is also we are considering, there is no need to write it. Let again you can write once only. Let angle A, measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B plus C. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Getting? Then in space of B plus C, you can take A. Just let us label it as equation 1, and using equation 1, here we will write using equation 1, we have written B plus C as A. Now we are having angle, twice of angle is 180 degree, and angle A is equal to 180 degree by 2 as 90 degree. Because one angle is of measure 90 degree, so the given triangle will be right triangle. So given triangle will be right triangle. We have to prove this only. Have a look. Show that the triangle is right triangle. Getting class? The next question, question number 10. In triangle ABC, twice of angle A is thrice of angle B and is equal to 6 times angle C. We have to measure, find the measure of angle A, B and C. Now let us have a look for the solution of question number 10. Class, in this question we have given twice of angle A is thrice of angle B, 6 times angle C. Let all these measures are equal and let all these measure is equal to x degree. Now you can see from here we will find each and every angle in measures of x. If you are taking twice of A angle is equal to x, thrice of B as x, because we have taken all these measures are equal to x, then 6 times angle C is also equal to x. From here we will get angle A as x by 2, angle B as x by 3, take care of sign of degree, angle C as x by 6. Getting angle A, B and C, all these three angles in measures of x. Now again we know that the fact angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle we are using in the whole exercise. Each and every sum we are using this property, angle sum property of triangle. I am using this short form for triangles, sign of triangle. Yes, taking A as x by 2, B as x by 3 and C as x by 6, 180 degree. Taking LCM, we will get 12. Yes, 6x plus 4x plus 2x. Right hand side is 180 degree. 12x by 12, 180 degree. 12 cancel, you will get x as 180 degree. Getting? Now we can find each and every angle in form of x. We have x as 180 degree. Now we can find angle A as 180 by 2, 180 by 3 and 180 by 6. Now our required angle, measure of angle A is x by 2, 180 by 2, how much? 90. Angle B, x by 3, that is 180 by 3, how much? 60. Angle C, x by 6, that is 180 by 6, how much? 30 degree. Angle A, B and C, we have find all these three angles. Have a look again what we have done. Same question in 6th standard also. There is one example of this type also. This is an important question. What we have done, we have taken all these measures equal to x. From here we eliminate each and every angle in form of x. Then we will get adding these three angles sum up to 180 because of angle sum property. We will eliminate x from here as 180 degree. Then write each and every angle. Okay class. Now have a look for the next question. What is the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle? Property we have done. Now we are proving this property. What is the measure of each angle of a equilateral triangle? For this we will consider each angle measure as x degree. We know that all the angles of equilateral triangles are equal. So let measure of each angle be x degree. Then again the reason, sum of all these three angles measure 180 degree. We know that sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So x plus x plus x, measure of all these three angles up to 180 degree. From here you can find 3x as 180 degree, x 180 by 3, 60 degree. Getting? Now measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle will be 60 degree. Required angle of equilateral triangle be 60 degree. Getting class? What we have done, we know that each and every angle is measured same. Let us consider each angle as x. You can consider A, B, C, whatever you want. From here we will eliminate each measure of each equal angle as 60 degree. Now have a look for the last question. In fact this is not last, but you have to do till question number 12 in notebook. Rest there is no need to do in notebook. Question number 14, yes, no, we will do in the book only. Question number 15, fill up, we will do in the book only. Can a triangle have, with this question we will solve in PC and write in the book only. Hanji. Have a look for the question number 12. In notebook you have to do till question number 12 only. In question number 12 we have DE is parallel to BC. In this figure you can see in this triangle DE is parallel to BC. We are having two measure angles of two measure angle A measure 65 and angle measure of angle B as 55. We have to find out these three angles, ADE, AED and third one is angle C. Getting? you can see like this. In this question you can see given as D is parallel to BC, angle A and angle B. To find angle ADE, this one ADE, AED, then AED, this one, and third one is angle C. Getting? Yes. Have a look for the solution. In this question, first we will solve, then I'll write. DE is parallel to BC. You can see, and considering ADB as transversal, then this angle and this angles are equal because of corresponding angle. You will find angle AD is equal to 55 as corresponding angle. Yes. Now you are having both of these angles. You can find the third angle using angle sum property. Yes. Or you can find this angle using angle sum property. You will find this angle, then angle C is equal to angle AED, again corresponding angles. Getting class? We will use 2 times corresponding angle property and once we will use angle sum property of triangle. Again have a look, this angle by corresponding angle, this by angle sum property, and this again by corresponding angles. Now have a look for the solution. Yes, D is parallel to BC, ADB is transversal, then angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, corresponding angles. Now in triangle ADE, angle A plus angle ADE plus angle AED, sum of all these 3 angles is equal to 180 degree. Reason? Angle sum property of triangle. Getting? Yes. Then AED we will eliminate, 180 minus angle AD. We will put their values and find our AED as 60 degree. Now you can see D is parallel to BC, and considering AEC as transversal, then angle AED is equal to angle C, or you can say ACB. Again reason is same, corresponding angle. How much? Measure of AED is how much? 60 degree. Again reason is same, corresponding angles. Okay class, now we have find our 3 angles, angle C, angle AED and angle ADE. You can label it as first part, this is our second part AED, and our third part as angle C. Okay class, we have finished our exercise. You have to do this exercise. Can a triangle have? You will do it yourself, and if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay class.